Yo, what's up suspects? Welcome back to the channel. So today guys, we're going to be doing another car flipping series. I managed to pick up this cheapie here behind me. It's a 1994 Opel Kadett Club 1.6. So yeah guys, I picked this car up yesterday. This car just needs a little bit of love. I saw a lot of potential in this car and I'm going to show you guys what I see in cars like this and how I can make some money on them. So just off the top guys, paintwork on this car isn't the best, you know, but it looks pretty original. It still has all the stickers. It's not a badge, it's a sticker. It's still on the 160 stickers and the club stickers. I think we're going to polish this car. We're going to tidy up the bumpers. I'm going to show you guys how. Maybe we'll spray them. Lucky for us, this car is actually running. Let me pop the bonnet. I'll show you guys what we're working with here. So guys, this is a 1.6 overhead cam. It's leaking. It looks like it's leaking oil from somewhere. I see it's leaking a bit of fuel from whatever this thing is. It's running a carburetor. You know, these things are die hard. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some degreaser. We're gonna clean up the engine bay, make it look nice and clean. You know, even though it is a cheapie, but someone's gonna buy it and it's gonna be their new car, guys. So we wanna make it fresh for them. So for the inside, guys, not a lot has changed. The seats are in decent shape. You know, it's saying it's got 500,000 Ks and it is believable. The previous owner at least put a new deck. The windscreen stuff is still decent. So yeah guys, we're gonna clean up the interior. Most of the time these cars just need some love to go into the next owner. I mean, for this price guys, what do you buy? It'd also be interesting, what do you guys think I paid for this car? Let us know now in the comments. I'll be telling you guys at the end of the video how much I've paid for the car. But yeah,
give a t-shirt away to somebody that gets it on the spot.
Okay, so Tish over here behind the camera has a plan. He says we should give away a free t-shirt to someone, whoever gets the cost of the car right. So guys, if you get the cost of the car right, we're gonna post it after the video. So guys, please do comment below. I'll contact the winner. Back to the car guys, it does have some issues. For instance, the boot doesn't lock or close and it's really heavy. At least we've got a spare wheel, matching color. Hello. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. We're gonna go now. We need a pipe for the engine, so we're gonna try and get that pipe made. If we can't get it sorted out, that's okay, we'll get it done another day. But we need to get a wheel bearing and a few other things. And yeah guys, we're gonna get some spray paint and start working on this car. So let's go. We'll try and get this pipe made. Hopefully this guy is open.
Where are you gonna get it?
This guy that does hydraulic pipes here in the area, in this industrial area behind the house. But I mean, his work is good and his prices are really cheap. And it's just the pipes. It can't be that complicated. Yeah, the suspension's a bit bouncy. You know the price of this car. What do you buy for that price, eh?
Yeah, you wouldn't get anything for that price, I guess.
Running, driving and license is up to date.
You wouldn't get a driving car for that price.
Exactly.
So let's see what they can guess.
Yeah, hopefully someone gets it right.
I would have got it wrong, actually, so I wouldn't have gotten a free t-shirt.
Exactly, and you see all the cars I buy.
Yeah.
So guys, let us know in the comments what price we paid for the car. Yeah, the winner will get a free t-shirt and a cap.
Your choice.
Yeah, deliver it to you and stuff. It's a 1.6. How does it drive? Overhead cam. Not bad.
Where did you pick it up from?
Here in the area. It's a friend of my grandfather. The second or third car I bought from this guy. Uses them for a bit.
Decent car. Decent.
Yeah, and it's got a radio. It's just dirty. Cars just need a good clean and they'll be looking good again. You know, it's worth, you'll get like 5 grand extra.
Yeah.
But no one.
5 grand. We're gonna give you 5 grand.
This guy is closed. Let's just go get our paint. Radio does work, driver? Hey!
Working radio.
But it only plays Afrikaans radio.
Radio works. Another tick in the box.
Lights all work. It just needs some TLC, bro. Some love. And a good clean.
When you gonna go for a clean?
We'll do the engine bay wash and stuff ourselves and then bring it for a car wash.
Hard work pays off.
Exactly. So guys, we're back from our run. For now, I'm thinking we get started spraying the front bumpers and then working on the engine bay. We ended up spending about 310 rand. We got some degreaser, some spray on cans to spray the bumpers, make them look fresh again in the matte black. We got 2 cans of this, some of these Scotch-Brite pads so we can roughen up the surface before we spray it up. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we've sprayed the front bumpers and the rear bumpers. They came out pretty decent. The car's already looking a bit fresher now. Ended up needing 3 cans of the spray paint, 2 wasn't enough. I've also sprayed the door handles and a few other small things to make it look a bit fresh again. I don't know why I chose the hottest day on earth to do this, but yeah. Now it's time to get to the engine bay wash. So I'm gonna put on another time lapse guys and yeah, let's go. I forgot it's leaking fuel from here, so I just want to tighten up this bolt so hopefully it won't leak anymore. There's a few things that we need to cover up. We don't want to get wet while we're spraying this thing, so yeah. I see it's also leaking a bit of coolant from here. I think this hose is just a bit loose, so I'm gonna try and sort that out now as well quickly. Okay guys, so we've just finished up now. Yo, I am past tired 5 hours later. But anyway, not a professional detailer or anything, but I mean, it didn't come out too bad. I'm pretty happy with the job. It shows that the car is not a scrap. Look at all of the stuff that came out of this car. I mean, it was in direst need of a good clean. The bumpers came out quite decent. Unfortunately, we won't be able to make it to the car wash. I know you guys might be saying, why don't I wash the car myself? Yeah, my car wash people look after me. Do a nice interior clean. I'm not too good with that as well. Put some silicone on the engine bay and yeah, then the car will be ready to sell. And so stay tuned guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, we're back here at Bulldog Car Wash. I told you guys my car wash people will sort me out, and they really did. I mean, look at how this car looks compared to how it was when we brought it here. The wheels are actually white. I don't know if you guys noticed that. They actually did a full house wash on this car. Deep clean the interior. The interior looked disgusting. It was actually scary to drive. Even smelling nice, you know. Guys, what I love about this car wash is that they always go the extra mile. As you guys seen in all my videos, I always use these guys. Just for the suspects, the subscribers on this channel, guys, they're running a special for anyone who sees this video. They're doing a full house wash for your guys' car, so that exterior and interior clean, entire polish. They're doing that for 99 rand. So come down here to Bulldog Car Wash. It's here on the corner of Atlas and North Rand. I'll put up the location for you guys. Come here, wash your guys' car with them, tag us in the photos, and we'll repost it as well, guys. Now that it's nice and clean, we're gonna head back home, advertise the car, guys, and yeah, hopefully we get sold soon. So we're back. So it turns out we don't really need that breather pipe because they changed the air cleaner on the carburetor. We either have to just let that pipe stay the way it is, or put it into a catch can. So not really our problem right now, guys. We just keep topping it up with oil. You know, it is a cheapie at the end of the day. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna snap some pictures of the car, get it advertised. To the loyal suspects who watched till the end of the video, whoever guesses the price that I paid for this car correctly, we will send out some free merch to you guys, a t-shirt and a cap. You guys can choose which colorway, and this is before it gets released. You guys are gonna have to be subscribed. Stay tuned for the next episode. We'll be announcing the winner in the next episode. And yeah, guys, peace.